If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about cracking the CAT exam this November. Well, you have made a smart choice starting your prep in May that gives you exactly 200 days to transform from a CAT aspirant to a CAT confidant. Today, I am breaking down the ultimate 200-day CAT prep strategy that helped hundreds of students to score 99+ percentile. This isn't just any plan, it is a roadmap to CAT success. Listen, I know what you're thinking. Are 200 days really enough? With the right strategy? Absolutely. In this video, we'll be discussing about the study plan, which includes how to cover your syllabus in 200 days and what topics to focus on and how to plan your marks. Before diving in, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's divide these 200 days into phases. That is 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, 91 to 120 days, 121 to 150 days and 151 to 200. Let's start the first phase, that is 1 to 30 days with QA. So let's start with arithmetic fundamentals like averages, ratios and percentages. Once you have mastered these basics, progress to mixture and allocations, profit and loss, discount and stocks and shares. Coming to the LRDI section, in this 1 to 30 day period, I need you to focus on the DI section, that is DI charts and DI tables. In DI charts, focus on these DI formats like bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, tables, caselets and mixed DI sets. Now let's tackle the VARC section. In this 1 to 30 day period, I need you to start with RC section in the VARC. So the key to mastering the RC is to understand the tone of the RCs. Is it descriptive, argumentative or critical? So understanding the tone of the RCs is most important in cracking the VARC section. Let's dive into the second phase, that is 31 to 60 days. Coming to the QA, we'll be focusing on high yield topics like time, speed, distance, clocks, time and work, and we'll be covering the basics of geometry and trigonometry also. Coming to the LRDI part, we'll be covering the LR part of this section, which completes 2D LR, team selection, games and tournaments and scheduling problems. Coming to the VARC section, we'll be focusing on eliminating options and also reading techniques. So develop a habit of active reading and passive reading. This will help your reading speed. Moving on to the third phase, that is 61 to 90 days phase. In QA, we'll be covering all the geometry syllabus and basics of the algebra. So in geometry, cover the topics like theorems, circles, quadrilaterals, polygons, coordinate geometry and mensuration. Coming to the basics of the algebra, focus on linear and quadratic equations, inequalities, maxima and minima. Coming to the DILR section, we'll be focusing on quant based LR and miscellaneous LR like truth and lie puzzles, blood relation puzzles and other puzzles. So coming to the VARC section, we'll be focusing on the understanding of RC structure, and in the VA part, we'll be focusing on para jumbles, para summary, out of context and para insertion. Moving on to the next phase, that is 91 to 120 days, we'll be covering algebra in QA section, that is series and progressions, functions, graphs, logarithms and surds. Coming to the LRDI part, focus on four-set Venn diagrams, maxima and minima. Coming to the VARC section, we will be focusing on identify the flaw in the argument and how to make a conclusion in the argument. In the next phase, that is 121 to 150 days, we will be covering modern math in QA, that is number systems, permutations, combinations and probability. Coming to the LRDI and VARC sections, practice more and revise more in these days. Coming to the final phase. In these last final 50 days, your focus should be on two things, that is deliberate practice and systematic revision. Don't try to learn new topics in these days. Complete full-length mocks under timed conditions and work through previous year question papers. Now, let's discuss how many mocks you need to take in this 200-day period. In the first 1 to 60 days, you need to take 4 mocks, that is 2 mocks per month. In the next 61 to 120 days, you need to take 4 to 6 mocks, that is 2 to 3 mocks per month. In the next 121 to 180 days, you need to take at least 6 mocks, that is 3 mocks per month. In the last 20 crucial days, that is 181 to 200 days, you need to take at least 2 mocks per week. If you want a detailed schedule PDF, visit our Instagram community, and for more updates like this, follow us on Instagram, Cracku Exam. Please check out the link in the description.